That's why, for the record, the invitation to attend the budget hearing of the Office of the Vice President was addressed to the Honorable Vice President Sara Duterte, with attention to Undersecretary Zulaika Lopez, Chief of Staff, respectfully inviting the Vice President or her duly authorized representative and the senior officials of the OVP. And after this, before 12 o'clock, I was assured that the Vice President will be present herself on Tuesday. So knowing that, if there's any question on the floor, I'm willing to answer.
Mr. Chair, we in the minority set to extend to the office of the Vice President our tradition to give parliamentary courtesy to the office. But due to the technicalities, as explained by the chair, I move that the committee defer consideration of the budget of the office of the Vice President until Tuesday.
Is there a second?
So move, Mr.
It
Speaker.
has been moved and seconded that the hearing for the Office of the Vice President be moved on next week, Tuesday at the very least.
Mr. Chair.
Mr. Chair, just
Mr. Chair, una po, with due respect to my fellow member of the minority, hindi po buong minorya ang sumasang-ayon dun sa pag-extend ng parliamentary courtesy, whether sa Office of the President or sa Office of the Vice President. During the hearing of briefing for the budget of the Office of the President, inilinaw po natin yon, di ba? Na lalo pa ngayon, hindi po panahon para sa parliamentary courtesy. No, Pangulo mismo sabi niya, mahiya naman kayo, o dapat mahiya lahat ng nasa gobyerno kasama ang presidente at ang vice presidente. Ibig sabihin, kailangan handa po lahat na busisiin ang budget, handa lahat na ipagtanggol ang budget kung humaharap sa Kongreso. So yun po yung unang punto. Pangalawang punto, nais ko lang pong magpahayag ng lubos na pagkadismaya pa rin. No? Kaya naman po nagkaroon tayo ng pag-defer dito dahil sa paabot o sa sulat mismo ng Office of the Vice President na direktor pa nga ang nakapirma na ang dadalo dito hindi na nga yung Vice President, no? Pero ang minimum natin for Office of the President and Office of the Vice President, yung Chief of Staff, di ba? So in the case of the President, yung ang nandito ay ang Executive Secretary. So in the past, no, ang nagpunta rito yung mga Chief of Staff kung hindi pwede yung Vice President mismo. Pero sa sulat nila, ano po ba, ASEC po ba ang papupuntahin? An ASEC for budget. So again, sabi ko nga, nagpapahayag ang kinatawang ito ng lubos na pagkadismaya na hindi pa rin nagbabago ang Vice Presidente sa labas, no, sa media, panayang pahayag na handa siyang ipagtanggol ang kanyang budget at wala siyang tinatago, no, at handang humarap sa proper venue. Sa kaso po ng budget proposal for 2026, wala pong ibang proper venue kung hindi ang committee ito. No, kaya again, lubos na pagkadismaya at sinabi ng ating Vice Chair na magpapakita raw ang Vice Presidente mismo sa Tuesday na para sa akin to see is to believe, no? So hintayin natin 'yan.
Mr.
Madam
Chair,
Maraming salamat. Noted yung mga manifestation mo, Congressman Tinio.